What's today?
Beach day?
Back shaving day.
Oh, back shaving. That too.
Yeah.
You're gonna shave my back.
Yeah.
No, we're shaving your back.
Yeah. I have a hairy back, so that thing has to get shaved before we could go to the beach. We're gonna take Colton to the beach today.
Yay!
But we're not taking the twins with us. We're going
First
to...
things first.
These little nuggets are going to Grandma's house. Yeah. I think they're in the front. Alright. Time to shave my back. Hey, Colton. You ready for the beach? You don't know? He's ready for Grandma's house. A lot bigger than the last video they were in. It's already been over a month since we brought him from the hospital.
You don't know?
Is it Logan?
Yeah.
It's getting hard to tell now. At first, it was pretty easy when they were skinnier, but now they're gaining weight and they're starting to look a lot like each other.
Wow, look at your muscles.
So last time we took Colton to the beach, it was kind of a wreck because he couldn't even walk yet. And then it was during summertime, so it was super crowded.
And Devin wanted to sunbathe while I took care of Colton.
Hopefully today will be a little bit easier. He can walk around. I think it'll be better.
Yeah, way better.
And it's not summertime anymore. It's just we'll probably hit a lot of traffic coming home.
He doesn't like sand though, so let's see.
I think he'll like it.
He'll like it. He'll have fun once he gets used to it.
How much did you sleep last night?
Colton kept me up.
He woke up at like 11:30 and was kicking around. How late do you think he stayed up to, like 1?
Yeah.
So he'll probably be super cranky today.
He slept in pretty good though. Like he just woke up at 8:30.
Yeah.
Okay, we get
Let's
Wyatt.
see. Baby number 2.
Looking fly, giving bear hugs, and wanting some milk.
You ready?
Yeah, he's ready.
Both ready.
Load him up.
Alright. Well, it takes us forever to leave now. Alright, Colton. It's time to go to the beach, boy. This is Colton's favorite show. Huh, Colton? Sonny, you're picking up the extra crumbs that he drops? They're buddies now. Huh. And there's Bruce. He's a little bit slower. Sonny gets the crumbs before he does.
Driving to drop the twins off at Grandma's house.
Of course, we're late like always.
Colton, you going to the beach? Colton. Yeah. Snoozing away. I love you guys. Colton, you ready? You ready to go to the beach?
Hit the fast travel button so we get there faster. Like this.
I was like, is that a new addition to the van? Taking eco off.
Alright, hit the fast travel button. Like that. It's like magic, and we teleported to Grandma's house.
Ooh, ooh.
Alright, we gotta get these sleeping babies out of here. Colton's trying to go see Grandma.
Look at Daddy. You want to go see the puppies?
Let's go see their crazy dogs.
So fly over the couch, Bubby.
Hey, Toby.
Yesterday we were in the store and he was telling the manager,
Hey.
No, fly. No.
Alright, we're just gonna leave Colton here.
Oh, okay. Can I stay? I'm going to the pool?
Colton was eating a milk bone. I thought he was eating like one of his snacks and I was like, what are you eating? It was a milk bone. He ate more than half.
Oh my goodness, you're like your daddy.
I ate some dog bones when I was younger.
Yeah, they ate a whole block, I think.
Colton's original fishies.
Where's the eel?
Hiding in the white rock. Oh, I see him. Doing the tight distance. There we go.
Does anyone know what time it is? It's time for lunch.
She'd probably love the aquarium now.
Yeah, he's like, yeah, they're eating. See you down there? They're done. They're looking for ones that float. I'm floating. Yep, that's where we put it. Got a long ride.
He was throwing everything out.
Have fun. I love you. Have fun.
Alright, we made it. Everyone says that vans are embarrassing. I gotta say, that's luxury right there.
Hello. Is it?
Alright, time to unpack all this stuff and then we're gonna head out to the sand. You ready?
Sandal back on.
Here we go!
Looking good. Looking good. You ready? You ready? Let's go to the beach.
You're going the wrong way.
Come this way. Let's go. There we go. Let's patch it up.
Colton, you ready to go? Yeah?
Yeah.
You having fun? He's on a beach mission.
Here we go.
I'm happy we got this wagon.
You do.
We ended up finding it on Offer Up.
I can't believe how much stuff fits in it.
I know, you can fit a lot of stuff. Found it on Offer Up, and then the guy that made it, I think he made it for his son, was all sad and didn't want to sell it, but his son was trying to make some extra money, so we ended up getting lucky with it.
Yeah, it's awesome.
But it's a pretty nice day to go to the beach.
Where did the Ferris wheel go? Should we put here after?
Yeah. You don't know what we're doing yet? We're gonna go down to the sand and then you can get out of there and be a crazy man. Alright. Well, we got about halfway there and we realized we didn't even pay for parking, so I'm gonna go back and do that now. Alright. Did you get a donut? Mmm, yummy. We got lucky. The parking enforcement pulled up right when I
Oh
was getting
no,
there.
that would have been terrible.
And then we left the van unlocked and we left the GoPro in the window, so
You have the keys, right?
yeah.
In your car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nom nom nom. Colton, take a bite of that. It's good. Colton, did you make it?
You made it.
Gotta get sunscreen on that marshmallow boy.
No.
Colton, your hair is crazy. What are you doing? Does the sand feel good on your feet? Come on. Come on, Colton.
Come on, you got it. Good job. Come on, go to the water. Let's check it out. Oh, it's wet.
Be careful, it's gonna be cold.
It's gonna be really cold.
Hold on to him.
Oh my goodness.
Woo!
God.
He's gonna get smashed by a wave. Here comes the water!
Good job.
Kid just got smashed over there. The kid would float away in the ocean if he could.
vlog. Daddy hasn't even been watching him for 1 minute. Look at the sand crab.
Oh, look at this. Crazy boy.
Look at the crabs.
Look. What is that right here?
They're little crabs.
Whoa.
Are they dead?
No, it's alive. Whoa. Whoa, there it goes. Watch. Oh, stepped right on it.
Get it. Okay. You can tell me if you want to get down, okay? Okay.
Kayla adopted a new kid.
Here we go. I'm gonna get you guys. Gotcha. Oh, the almost went down. Whoa. Here, you're getting queasy. Let's go play on something else. You wanna go play on this slide, maybe? You're out there. I'll leave you hanging. Oh, of course. He gets queasy, so, but he will go like the entire time. And his face will be like gray. I'm like, okay, it's looking like we need to figure it out now. No, but you're getting sick. He's so cute. You're getting sick. Let's go on the slide. Wanna go off on the pier? Let's go on the slide. Come on. You're getting sick, buddy. Look, let's go. Come on. Come on, bub.
Call your mom.
Come on. Right here. Wanna go down the swirlies?
It's hot. Whew. Almost lost you, Colton.
Put your foot down.
Ready, Colton?
Set. Whee! Oh my goodness.
Is that fun? Oh, you making a new friend? Yeah.
This way, bud. Come on. Sit right here. Go first. See? Oh, you're good. Okay, ready? Whee! Good job.
Heading to get some ice cream. Colton's pretty sleepy, so I think he's gonna sleep all the way home. Is he eating a donut?
No, the rest of my bagel.
Oh. He'll probably like some ice cream.
Wake him up a little bit.
Yeah. Good old ice cream. There you go, Colton. What do you think of that? Is it good?
Yummy.
Yeah?
Sorry. Colton.
Looking for you, so that's going to explain what happened.
Get out of the way.
This will be a kid battle right now.
Regular swirl?
Alright. Is that good?
Let's go over here. You think I'll stay in the cheers?
How you doing with that ice cream, Colton?
Here, you want to hold it? You want to hold your ice cream? Here. Hold it. I took a bite of the cone.
Is that good? Did it go up your nose? He's getting tired.
He's like exhausted.
I'd say today was pretty successful
Definitely.
with Colton's second time coming to the beach, but it's kind of like his first time.
Surfer boy.
Yeah. So we're just gonna finish up these ice cream cones, pack up, and head home because Colton looks like he's probably gonna sleep right now. You tired? Right.